Hi, this is Dan Rooch with QT Equipment. Today we're going to be talking about lube skids. We've been building lube skids for 8 to 10 years now. It's a nice product to help customers bridge the gap between 5-gallon buckets and a full-blown lube truck. And the way these are used in the field is a couple of different ways. You could purchase one of these and then technicians can share it depending on what they need for the week. So they can reserve it for Monday and Tuesday when they have PM work that can be done alongside some other mechanical work. We've also seen these being placed at a job site. So when the technicians go there, they can grab the skid, put it in the back of their truck, hook up their air compressor and use it. If you've got a high concentration of machines that it's difficult for a lube truck to get to. Other way that we've seen this work is customer purchases a lube skid and then takes an existing flatbed that's in their fleet, grabs a gas-powered air compressor and maybe some job boxes or underbody boxes to give you some storage, and they've got a workable lube truck. This is a flexible, cost-effective option when you've got PM work that needs to be done and you're not able to justify the capital expenditure of a full-blown lube truck. This is our standard skid. It's 49 inches wide, so it'll fit in the back of a standard service truck. It's 7 feet 4 inches long. It weighs about 1,700 pounds. This is again, our standard skid. We try to keep 1 or 2 of these in stock at all times to keep your lead times short. And if you're watching this and you're like, wow, I get the concept, but it really doesn't work for me because I've got a different need. This is just our standard. We build these in all kinds of different configurations. We build them with bigger tanks. We build them with more products. We build them with an incorporated air compressor, so you don't need an external air compressor to make this work. We build them with steel tanks. Just call our sales team, tell them what your field service challenges you're trying to solve are, and we will get that figured out. On this skid, we've got 3 75-gallon poly tanks. Again, the poly tanks are cleaner and lighter than steel. That's also easy to unscrew the top and visually inspect the oil that you've got in there. And then we've got a 75-gallon salvage tank. Behind me here, we've got a place for a 120-pound grease keg with a Graco 50-to-1 LD grease pump. We've got your grease reel here. This is 50 feet of high-pressure reel with your Z-swivel and your grease nozzle. We've got the 3 products here at the top. Again, Reelcraft reels, 50 foot of hose, the Graco digital metered nozzles. Looking down at the bottom, you've got your Graco LD pumps, air-powered pumps. This is a aluminum machined manifold for controlling all your products. This here is where you would connect in with your air hose. We've got the Graco Husky 1050 pump, a 4-way valve, the Y strainer for digging out any debris that you may get sucked up in your salvage system, and then 35 feet of salvage hose with a stinger. Anytime we shoot video, that's when all the deliveries happen. So apologize for that in the background. But speaking of deliveries, these skids are made to be mobile. So you've got fork pockets here on the bottom of the skid, and then you've also got 2 D-rings in the back, and you've also got 1 D-ring up by the reels so that you can pick it up with some chains in your crane. Thanks for watching today on the lube skids. If you're interested in designing a lube skid or a standard lube skid, please call us. If you're interested in a big lube truck or a field service truck, you can find what we build on Instagram at QT Equipment, Facebook QT Equipment, or our website QTEquipment.com. Work dirty, be happy. Until next time.